In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images in HubSpot content. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then click through to the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Once you're in, move your cursor over the left sidebar and look for the section related to content. From there, choose Website Pages. This takes you to your website pages dashboard, where you can create and manage the pages on your site. Click the option to create a website page. When HubSpot asks how you want to begin, select a blank page so we can focus just on adding an image without any pre-built layout getting in the way. Choose to edit manually so you have full control over the page's modules and layout. Inside the page editor, look to the left panel and click the plus icon to open the module library. Switch to the media category so you can see the options for images and other media. Grab the image module and drag it onto your page where you want the visual to appear, then release to drop it in place. With the image placeholder selected, you'll see a Replace option in the module settings. Click Replace to open the file selector. Here, you can either pick from images already in your HubSpot files or upload something new from your computer. If you're uploading, click Upload, choose your file, and wait a moment for it to process. When it appears in your library, click the image to insert it into the page. Once the image is on the page, you can fine-tune it. Adjust the size by dragging the handles or using the width settings, and align it to fit your layout. For a cleaner, faster page, aim for a web-friendly file size and the correct dimensions before uploading. While you're in the settings, consider adding descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and help search engines understand your image. If the image should act like a button, you can add a link too. Take a quick look at your layout to ensure spacing and placement feel right. If needed, use the module's padding or alignment options for small tweaks. When everything looks good, you're ready to go live. Click Publish. If prompted, confirm any basic page details like title or URL, then publish to make your changes visible on your site. That's it. Your image is now part of your HubSpot content. You searched HubSpot, signed in, navigated to website pages, created a blank page, added the image module, replaced it with your chosen file, and published. Thanks for watching and happy building.